Oh no.
People from Ohio. 3 months has passed since the war. Ohio City is finally recovered. Thank you, everyone. I'm still paying for my mistakes. I hope one day we can all be a big family.
What are you going to do now, Ohio Banana Cat?
I'm still looking for the hat. I know it is out there. Its power can't fall into the wrong hands. I don't want anyone to do what I did.
I understand. Good luck. You can call me if you need me.
Thank you, Commander Pomni.
I found it. I found the hat.
I knew I could trust you, Detective Doge.
The hat is in the ruins outside the city. I'll go get the car. We must go immediately.
My friend scientist, please, if something happens to me, you know who to call.
Come on, this way.
The hat is recovering power. Give me the suitcase. You won't hurt anyone else, hat. Finally.
Stop right there. We are taking the hat.
Who are you?
Our Lord, King Banana Cat sent us.
King Banana Cat?
You are our brother, but if you resist, we will have to defeat you.
I won't let you take the hat.
I'm sorry, Banana Cat brother, but I have no option. I don't want to hurt you, Buff Dog. Please step apart. You are our brother, so you are coming with us.
I must call scientist. Ohio Banana Cat was kidnapped. Please call the hero.
Oh no!
Why are you doing this?
We need the hat, brother. King Banana Cat will save our land.
Don't you know the hat only brings destruction?
You don't understand. Banana Cat Paradise is in danger, according to King Banana Cat. The power of the hat can save our paradise.
Hero Banana Cat will stop you. He must be coming to save me already.
We know that, and we are prepared. Banana Brownie, please go and stop this hero Banana Cat.
Yes, Banana Split.
I'm sorry, but I must freeze you again.
Wait.
I will stop you, Banana Cat. I don't want to hurt you. I'm sorry, but I can't let you pass. My name is Banana Brownie. I was sent to stop the hero Banana Cat. So please, go away. Ohio Banana Cat is with us now. He is safe. If you want to keep with this, I will need to stop you. I am the weakest of my brothers. but my power will be enough for you. Let's see your power, Hero Banana Cat. I understand why they call you Hero. You have resisted my attacks so far. I need more power. I can't be defeated like this.
Something wrong is happening. Banana Brownie is not winning the fight. Who is this Hero Banana Cat? How is it possible for him to defeat our sister?
I told you. He's coming to save me. He never abandoned his friends and family.
Big brother, go and see what's happening. I need to bring the hat to King Banana Cat.
I will need all my power to beat you. Please, Dragon Lord, lend me your strength. This is the end. This can't be. Why are you helping me out? You just want to save your friend? I don't know too much, but your friend knows the secrets of the hat. King Banana Cat needs him to use it. Oh no, my brother is here?
You hurt my sister, so I will hurt you.
Please, brother, Banana Cat is not bad. He only wants to see his friend.
I don't care about his friend. I came to stop him and take you back.
I will help you, Banana Cat.
No, you won't.
I don't think you can beat my brother right now. We must escape.
Now I'm angry.
We must go.
You won't escape. I will follow you, Banana Cat.
My brother will follow us. We must split. You must find the capybara midge. He will take you guys to Banana Cat Paradise. The capybara midge is crossing this road, and you and me, we will distract my brother, and then we will reunite with your friends in Banana Cat's Paradise.
You won't escape.
Please go before he arrives. We will fly on my fire. Let's go.
Sister, you will pay for this.
Let's hide behind this rock.
Where did they go?
We lost him. Now we have to travel to Banana Cat's Paradise. That is our home, where all banana cats are born, and it is where your friend is now.
Brother, we are here. This is the portal to our home, hidden on top of this mountain. I know you don't understand now, but King Banana Cat needs you.
You are the one who don't know what you're doing. Once the hat recovers its power, we will be all destroyed.
Let's go, brother. Enter the portal.
Our sister betrayed us.
Don't worry. Banana Brownie will come to us. Let's just go back to King Banana Cat.
We were waiting for you guys.
Welcome, cat friends. I am the Capybara Mage. I know, you need to go to Banana Cat Paradise.
Sadly, only banana cats can enter.
But don't worry, I know a way. There is a big scorpion here in the desert, who possesses a key that will let us enter the Banana Cat Paradise.
Please go and defeat the scorpion. And bring the key.
Wait, I'll go with you.
We are close to the mountain. Are you nervous? It will be your first time in Banana Cat Paradise. You really are a nice cat. That's why I decided to help you.
Welcome to Banana Cat Paradise, brother. This is your home, but you will meet everyone later. We need to see King Banana Cat. This is King Banana Cat Castle. Your questions will be answered here. My king, I brought what you asked.
You did well, Banana Split. Please, leave me alone with our guest.
As you wish, my king.
I have so much to tell you. My son.
The monster should be here, prepared for battle.
This is the portal. Please, Banana Cat. I feel something is wrong with King Banana Cat. Will you help me find what is it?
He is angry. Watch out. Meteor. With this key, we can enter Banana Cat Paradise. Let's return with Detective Doge.
Welcome to our home. I know you will enjoy being here with us. We need to speak with King Banana Cat. Let's go.
Yes, I'm your father.
But how? I was abandoned in Ohio when I was a baby.
Yes, I am the one who sent you to Ohio. But I did it to protect you.
I don't understand. You don't know how much I suffered.
Son, Ohio was the only place where you could be safe.
Safe from what?
From the evil that took your mother. The evil that is returning to destroy all banana cats. She sacrificed to save us all. That's why I need you, son, and the hat. With the power of the hat, we can face the evil.
My king, Banana Brownie is here with a friend. She wants to see you.
Send the guards to capture the hero Banana Cat.
Hero Banana Cat is my best friend. I won't permit that.
Banana Split, freeze my son.
Something is wrong. Please, Banana Cat. I don't want to hurt anyone. Let's surrender for now.
Guys, this way.
Help me, Banana Cat. Let me handle this.
Guys, you can hide here.
Thanks for saving us from the guards. We didn't do anything wrong. I can't understand why King Banana Cat tried to capture us.
I know. People in town is really worried. My name is Banana Lumberjack, and that is Catnap, my pet. Since you and your brothers left for the mission, King Banana Cat has been acting strange. He's not the humble king anymore. People is saying something bad is going to happen soon. But the other night, I was collecting wood near the castle. When I heard the king's voice,
I must do something now. Banana Split is coming with the hat, but I don't know for how longer. I can stop the thing in the basement.
Everything is according to the plan, so don't worry.
you should enter the castle and go to basement. Soon, I will go to talk to everyone in town to be prepared. We trust you, Banana Brownie.
Thank you. We will do that. But I think we must wait at night.
This is the place. I will summon the portal using the key. Let's go, guys.
My king, Banana Brownie and her friend escaped.
Send Banana Goliath. Nobody can enter the castle now. Soon, I will see my wife again.
Everyone is sleeping. Let's go to the castle. What is that? Oh no, it's Banana Goliath. King Banana Cat is trying to stop us. He is really tough. What should we do? We can't defeat him. Let's escape. As long as Banana Goliath is there, we won't be able to enter the castle. What should we do? All this confirms that something wrong is happening. I'm afraid banana cats can get hurt. What is King Banana Cat doing?
As you know, King Banana Cat has been acting strange. What I believe is that he knows about a danger. I called you all here because we must be prepared. Something big is going to happen soon. This is what we are going to do.
Son, I want to show you something. Please, come with me.
Okay.
Behind this door is your mother.
My mother.
I understand you don't love me because we abandoned you when you were a baby.
But why is Mom down here?
She made a sacrifice to protect all banana cats and all the whole world. Let's enter. I want you to see why we need the hat.
Brother,
My dear Banana Brownie, we must talk. I'm sorry. I should have believed you. King Banana Cat is trying to save our queen, but in the process, he will release the dark banana cats.
dark banana cats?
Yes, but I will explain that later. Let's go to the castle.
Hello, Gigant Banana Cat. Run.
Banana Goliath is not here. Let's go. Brother, let us pass.
King Banana Cat told me to protect the entrance, even from my own family.
Brother, you don't understand. Our world is in danger.
Liar, I won't let you pass.
I will stop, brother. You both go inside.
What is this place?
This is the Dark Banana Cat's prison. We banana cats are nice, humble, peaceful. However, there is another dimension where all the banana cats are evil. When you were a baby, they attack us, and they almost won. I sent you to Ohio to protect you, and your mother. She used a spell to stop the Dark Banana Cats. She trapped herself with this barrier and closed the entrance to the dark world.
So she is my mom. I always wanted to see her.
Son, with the power of the hat, we can break the barrier and defeat the Dark Banana Cats before they return. Will you help me, son? I know you can use the hat. It is the only way to save your mother.
I can't control the hat. Its power almost broke me the last time.
Son, the power of the hat is weak. You can do it.
I'm sorry, Dad, but I won't do it.
I understand, son. I will use the hat myself. I will save everyone.
Stop.
Don't try to stop me, son. Forgive me, son. You can't stop me, son. It is time to use the hat.
Don't do it.
What is this?
Oh no, King Banana Cat used the hat. We must hide, brother.
This is the power of the hat. Something wrong happened.
This is the basement. This dark energy. We are too late. You are right. We can't give up. Let's enter.
This is the power of the hat. I will save you, my queen.
You can't control me. I will return again.
Help me, son. The hat is.
I'm back once again.
I can't control it.
Dad, you must fight it. Think of Mom.
My queen.
Destroy everything.
I will use this power to save her. My queen, I finally saved you.
What happened to you, my king?
I used the dark power to bring you back.
Are you my beautiful son?
You are my mom.
Yes, I'm sorry we had to abandon you, but it was the only choice we had.
I always wanted to see my mom. I am really happy.
This is the portal to the Dark Banana Cat's world. It is a matter of time before they return.
The barrier is broken. I know you wanted to save me, but now we must face a powerful enemy.
You are weak. I will control your body.
Please run. I can't hold the hat anymore.
Hero Banana Cat, you are here.
We came to save you guys.
Please, save my king from that evil.
I can't hold it anymore. I'm sorry.
I will destroy you this time. Banana Cat.
My king, you must fight the hat.
Don't let the hat control you, Dad.
Please, King Banana Cat, we need you.
You are stronger than the hat.
I won, but the hat is powerful.
The only way to stop the hat is to accept you need others.
You can't win this fight alone.
Together we are stronger, King Banana Cat.
Yes, you are right. I can beat the hat with everyone's help.
I will destroy you all. You are nothing.
Hero Banana Cat, let's show the hat what we got.
The hat is weak. Let's attack together.
We got your back, Hero.
This is your end.
I'm free. Thank you, everyone. The hat almost broke me. I'm sorry, son. I should have believed you.
It's okay. Now Mom is free too.
Thank you for making that sacrifice to save me.
Together we are really strong.
Thank you, Banana Cat Hero. This is possible thanks to you. Now, what should we do with the hat?
I will take the hat.
Dark King Banana Cat.
I saw everything. The power of the hat is incredible. A power such as this must be mine. Last time, the barrier stopped us from winning the war. But this time, we are prepared. We will destroy Banana Cats, and then the world.
We will not let that happen.
You are weak from the last fight. You are no match for me. Let's see how many barriers can you do. Stop this now. I know you. It seems like you don't remember who you are. But soon, you will remember. I will end you right now.
I'm sorry, my queen, but I don't have the strength to fight.
I will not hurt you, because you are special to me. Next attack will not fail. Surrender now.
Let's give up. He is too strong. This is my fault. The barrier should not have been destroyed.
My queen, stop. You won. Please take me and forgive my queen.
I will take you both with me.
We will go down together.
Yes, we will lose with dignity.
As you wish.
Hero Banana Cat, you are our only hope. I enjoyed our time together. Please, save everyone else. Bye-bye.
Banana Cat, what happened?
Where is our sister Brownie? What? No way. You are lying.
Calm down, Brother Zeus. Banana Brownie is alive. Remember, I can feel your souls. Yes, Dark King Banana Cat surely made them prisoners. What I fear the most is the imminent invasion. We Banana Cats are the only ones that can stop the evil. But without King Banana Cat, the people will be scared to fight.
We must return to the town. We must save them.
Yes, let's go.
What happened, guys?
The royal family and Banana Brownie were captured. Dark Banana Cats are ill, and their invasion to our paradise is imminent. Hero Banana Cat did what he could, but the enemy we are going to face requires everyone to fight.
We were training while you were busy. Banana Cats are ready to fight.
Yes, we are going to rescue everyone.
For all the Banana Cats.
For Banana Cats.
Our time has come. The barrier was broken, and now we can destroy Banana Cats. The dark year has come. Are you ready, my soldiers? Then go across the portal. My king, Commander Chaco, you are going to lead this attack.
Yes, my king.
But first, call the other commanders. I finally found him, but he doesn't remember who he is. We must be careful.
Let's destroy this world.